Hi and welcome to another instrument choice support video. In this video we'll show you what's in the box with the IC-pH20 pH tester with ATC. This meter is simple to use and boasts easy automatic calibration with buffer recognition and automatic temperature compensation that ensures accuracy in various temperatures. In addition, the device has automatic recognition of stable values. This improves consistency so you don't have to guess when to manually hold measurements. In the box there's a lanyard, 2 small pH buffer bottles, these are pH 7 and pH 4, a product information sheet, and a user manual. A laminated quick reference guide, and the pH meter with a large LCD screen, simple 2-button design, a clear electrode cap, the pH electrode has a cover over the sensor to reduce the risk of damage. The cover can also be removed for cleaning. And on the back is a place to attach the lanyard and a belt clip. All there is to do to get started is pull out the tab covering the batteries and turn the device on using the On Measure button. The clear LCD shows a great deal of information, including measurement stability status with a smiley face, the current mode, battery status, as well as the pH and temperature readings. If you would like to see us calibrate the device, see the video link in the description. We hope that you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.